He just said, unless follow me. See, I have a bad feeling about this. Good boy. What I mean by girl is girl. I don't like using WASD. If you think everyone uses WASD, I don't. I use the arrow keys. Left, right, up and down, not WASD. Tom, why are you under my plane? Go to your plane over there. Tom, you need to fly. You need to go fly. Quickly. No, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Okay, I think I changed that voice a little bit. Seat. Also, I'm not using the soundboard for seat. I'll see you guys in the other side. Wait, in? It's on. Wait, we don't even know how to fly these. We'll have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Say obstacles. There you go. The guest that we have doesn't know how to read. He's my brother. I know him very well. It's the start of my life. It's the start of his life. I have been with him. Because he is my brother. I bet you. Oh my god. No! Ah! Oh, you're gonna die? Oh no, no, no! Quickly go! Go, go, go! I'm waiting for you.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, I know you don't want to die. There you go.
I'm gonna die. Just dying.
And Tom, Leah has the same health. We are health buddies. Yay. I forgot to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. Hopefully no one saw you. I saw police behind us. You might not have saw it. I saw it. Like that's a little legalized for some reason. It's right there. And then don't cross.
What the?
Attention everyone, flight 761 and 6 to Rohams, and leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the flight takes off without us. Oh no, no, no. There we go. Can I jump over these? Oh, barriers. Tom, quickly. Have you still got your bag? Oh, Tom, come on, quickly. Come on, get in. There we go. We're only waiting for one more, guys. Oh. I can't blur it because I don't know how to blur. So, might as well just skip. You might have skipped that part. Hello, you must be the last passengers flying to Rojas. I didn't say that. Just kidding. What? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapon here. Dad! Something's not right. Please wait a minute. And Tom. Oh no, I don't like how that sounds.
Oh God! It's a
police officer! I knew it was a bad idea. You're totally losing the flight net. The flight. There it goes. It's starting to take off. What's the red thing in the airship? I mean, what's the red thing in the airship? That's the one. My plane is finally complete. I mean, last one. My plane is finally complete. Are you enjoying the show, humans? Your world will soon be property of the undeads. First I used angry humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry, you will be part of my army too. See you in the afterworld. Afterlife. What's going on?
You called your school yet? You should go to your school and get their phone number.